welcome back to my channel. Excuse the bonnet, but it has whatever. Yeah, so welcome back to my channel. And I am going to show you how I detangle my hair when it's not really looking that great. I'm starting off on an old wash and go, and I ended up putting it in a puff, but as time goes on, I try to continue to moisturize it or refresh it a little bit, but sometimes it just doesn't, whatever. It is kind of dry a little bit. But my wash day is tomorrow, so that's why I was trying to just stretch it out a little bit. So yeah. I put it in the puff. I actually took the little band off. That's why I put my bonnet on, so I could at least secure it some kind of way while I was asleep. And I don't do this detangling method all the time before my wash day. Just sometimes, like I said, when I feel like my hair is will be a little more tangled, and it'll be better for me to go ahead and just do it before I hop in the shower. Some, at least, even though I am gonna detangle it with my conditioner as well once I get into the shower and shampoo and all that stuff like that. So yeah, the products that I have some water, but I also have just some hot water. But I also have the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil water as well. And I am going to also add the Crème Brulé whipped curl cream by Curls. And I just have my scrunchies and all that stuff like that to tie my hair up. So let's get started. Okay, so this is my hair. It's just stuck up there. But anyway, I'm going to just section off some in the back first. I mean, it's easier to section off to do your hair in sections anyway. I mean, that's just normal. And if your hair is shorter than mine, you'll probably do smaller sections. And if your hair is longer than mine, maybe you could do a little less. You know, it all depends of the thickness and length and all that stuff like that, and just your preference of how many sections you actually want to do. Yeah, so I'm going to wet my hair with some regular water first. Not too much, which I feel like I might have oversaturated that section just a tad bit, and kind of just pull it apart some. Not to where you just snatching, you know, your hair loose and having all kind of single strand knots and all that stuff like that, which I already have some, which with just the water, it does really good too. So, well, not with just the water, but with just the water, it starts off, you know, being a little bit better. Just still kind of pulling it apart. Then I'm going to add the Jamaican Black Castor Oil one. And I don't have a brush or wide tooth comb or nothing like that, because I really don't use a lot of combs and stuff. I just do finger detangling majority of the time. Ma'am. But yeah, so I don't really use a lot of brushes and combs unless I'm fluff my hair out and stuff like that, then I will. So yeah. Okay. Then I'm going in with my curl cream. I'm using about this much for this section. It smells good. My cat is just being so disrespectful right now, but it's okay. Okay, so after that, I mean, that's basically it. And I have like some shedded hair, but not like a lot. Just like that little bit right there from this little section. Not really much at all. So then I am going to twist it on up and possibly keep it like this until my wash day tomorrow. So it would be just easier for me to start shampooing and all of that stuff like that. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to continue to do this throughout the rest of my hair. And I'll be back once I finish fully detangling and moisturizing my hair. I'll see you later. detangle all of my hair. Got a little extra product on that one. I really just finished doing that one. Anyway, it's soaked up. So, correction. My wash day routine is Thursday. Well, Friday, not tomorrow, which is tomorrow is Thursday. Anyway, yeah. So, this is all of the shed hair that I have. It's really not a lot. It's really not. Yeah. Which is fine. It's gonna shed. It's hair. It always grow back anyway. And your hair is supposed to shed. If it doesn't shed a little bit, then something might be a little off with it. As long as it doesn't shed too much. Anyway, so I have fully detangled and moisturized my hair. It's not necessarily a pre-poo, but kind of. But like I said, my hair was really dry and tangled up mostly towards the ends. I did I did finger detangle through the roots and all that stuff like that to make sure it was a nice consistency of just detangledness. Yeah, so yeah, I wanted my hair to be thoroughly detangled instead of just detangling at the ends. I wanted to do the roots and everything like that, because there's no point if you're not going to do all of your hair and be thorough with it. So this concludes my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, share it with your friends. Let me know if you've used these products before. Like I said, I use the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Water. And I also use the Curls Crème Brulé Whipped Curl Cream. Yes. There you go. Yeah. This one is with Jamaican Black Castor Oil and vitamin C and vitamin E oil. This is organic sweet almond milk, shea butter, and aloe leaf juice, proven to fight frizz, restore lost sheen, and encourage hair growth. So, hey, good. And it doesn't have any sulfate, silicones, parabens, artificial oils, or colors. So that is always good. Yeah. So anyway, again, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you to the people that are already subscribed. Thank you for hanging out with me. You know, for the new subscribers, thank you for joining me. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye. And okay, I'm back for a split second. I forgot to let you know exactly how long it took for me to detangle my hair. So for video purposes, I did speed up the video after like the first section of me showing you how to detangle, but altogether it took me about 30 minutes to fully detangle my hair, because it's not like some people may take longer. Like I said, if you got thicker hair than mine, longer hair than mine, it could possibly take you longer, or you just got a different texture and your hair knots up a lot easier or a lot quicker, or whatever the case may be. So I tried to take my time so I won't just pull my hair apart and end up with whole pieces of hair, you know, coming from the scalp because I'm being too rough with my hair. So I really tried to take my time, and I did pretty big sections too. So it also depends on that as well. It probably would have took longer if I would have did smaller sections, or, you know. So yeah, I took 30 minutes altogether to fully detangle and moisturize my hair, which isn't bad, I don't think. So yeah, I wanted to just come back and let you know. See y'all later.